Just read it out loud.
Why did the naked woman wear black gloves and socks to the Halloween party? She wanted to defy his face. Black gloves and socks for a Halloween party. Oh, okay. What?
You get it?
Yeah, she had 2 gloves and 2 socks, and she made 5. Why did the naked no? She went as the 5 of spades.
Mom.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Get it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.